Welcome to the Best Garden channel on YouTube. Today, we announce our annual free seed giveaway. Before we get started, please click on that like button below. We are giving away free seeds. What's not to like? So, this seed giveaway is an opportunity for all of our subscribers to get free seeds. To be eligible, you must 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Comment below. 3. Send a self-addressed stamped envelope to me. I will go into the details of sending that envelope a little bit later in this video. But first, let's talk a little bit about the giveaway. As we did last year, I think it's wonderful if every subscriber has the opportunity for free seeds. So that's what we're going to do. And once again, we're going to tie the number of seeds that you get to the number of subscribers that we gain during this free seed giveaway period. At the time of this video, we have roughly 3,000 subscribers. If we get to 3,100 subscribers, there will be one type of seed that is included in the giveaway. If we get to 4,000 subscribers, there will be 2 types of seed, and at 6,000 there will be 3 types of seeds. At 10,000 there will be 4 types of seeds, and at 20,000 there will be 5 types of seeds included. Now this year, I'll be paying for these seeds out of my own pocket as a gift to you, the wonderful subscribers of the Best Garden channel on YouTube. There also will be a special bonus for one lucky subscriber. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside here and see what that grand prize winner is going to receive. This is the Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Collection. It contains 25 full-size packs of seeds and Clyde's Garden Planner. This is a sturdy, resealable Mylar bag. I don't know that I want to open it. And it looks like it might just be a Ziploc. So we will go ahead and look inside at what will be received. Anyone that ever wants to purchase from Baker Creek, this is also an option for you. This, I believe, is a $49 set that has basically everything you might want in your garden. So let's look at what they will be receiving from this giveaway. This giveaway is some long-standing spinach, which I've grown before, sugar pod snow peas, a rutabaga, American purple top, a golden Jenny melon, the winter luxury pie pumpkin, a squash that's good for pies, I presume, the Desi squash, which I grew in my garden last year, the pink vernissage tomato, white globe turnip, orange banana tomato, the sugar baby watermelon, and a mammoth sunflower seeds. These would be the giant sunflowers. There are more, no worries. If we keep looking, there's the Market More 76 cucumber, a very classic cucumber. The Pusa Rudera red carrot. This is, if I recall, a relatively new variety for Baker Creek, and it has that very pretty coloration. A country gentleman sweet corn. I believe this is actually a white sweet corn from what it looks like. What is called a black palm tree, the cabbage Nero di Toscana. The purple of Sicily cauliflower, and Cantari beans, which I've also grown in my garden, and the rabbits really enjoyed. We're not done yet. We have the lime basil, purple peppers, blue curled scotch, which I'm still growing in my garden, Paris Island Hass lettuce, Southern Giant Curled Mustard, Tokyo Long White Green Onions, I would presume. It's a bunching onion. Jimmy Nardellos, which were part of our seed giveaway last year. French breakfast radishes, which are great little radishes, and I grow them fairly frequently in my garden. And little green eggplants. Let's see what else we have in here. This here is Clyde's Garden Planner, which allows you to know when you should be starting your varying crops, whether inside or out. So that is also offered as part of the set. So in total, this is, I believe, the Heirloom Garden set from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. It normally retails for $49, and we're giving it away to the lucky #1 winner in our seed giveaway. So feel free to check out Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds if you're not familiar with them. We thank them for their supporting and sponsoring this seed giveaway. And remember that for everyone, there will be a seed giveaway. And the only thing you need to do to be eligible for this bonus, in addition to the free seeds, is to make sure that you are sharing the video out there on social media. Now, for everyone else that doesn't receive that special prize, again, there is a tremendous incentive. You can get up to 5 different types of seeds if we get to 20,000 subscribers. And heck, if we're above 20,000 subscribers and there's still time left in the giveaway, I'll add additional incentives at that time. So let's share the video far and wide and try to get as many subscribers as possible. Now for the details of how to get those seeds. Please, sometime between now and March 5th, before March 5th, please submit a self-addressed stamped envelope to me. And that, again, that's postmarked by March 5th. Please send a self-addressed envelope to P.O. Box 23442, Overland Park, Kansas 66283. Now, a self-addressed stamped envelope is an envelope that has your address on it that will be placed inside of another envelope that has my address on it. You'll mail me the envelope, and you'll include in it another envelope with a stamp on it that can return to you. Now, unlike last year where I required padded envelopes, this year I'm just looking for a normal envelope, and we will be sending you seeds that will be under the weight limit so that they should be able to go out. We'll specifically choose varieties that are less likely to get crushed in the mail. Remember that the best garden out there is your garden, and we would like to see it. Whether you have your own YouTube gardening channel or just want to show off your garden, we would love to help show your garden to the world. Send us an email to have your garden featured on our channel.